teach you how to your bird to go upside down. So when you need some seeds, whatever your bird's favorite food is, and a clicker. So give me. Want to jump up, mister? Come on. You got to, mister. Jump up. Okay, but anyway, he does not want to jump up. Come on, Dan. There you go. But anyway, you hold them right here around the eye so they can't bite you, and flip them over like that. They may not like it that much, but you want to first start with holding them like this. Good boy, Jimmy. Good boy. But first you want to start with them, just getting them comfortable to you holding them right here. And then you want to lean them over a little more, and a more, and a more, until they're up like that. If you want any videos for me to make for you, I can. So just comment below. Thanks. Hope this helped.